friends, my name is Veer Lakkad and in today's video we are going to do an interesting experiment which name is a bubble into a bubble. So let's go. So I am going to tell you the things that you need to do the experiment. First, you need a cup of 100 milliliter of water. Then cup of crushed sugar, a cup of dish soap, some sauce, half tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. So let's go to the step 1. So in step 1, you have to add half tablespoon of sugar into the water. So I am adding it. Okay, it goes. Now mix it till the sugar gets dissolved in water. Okay, the sugar is completely dissolved. Now you have to add 1 tablespoon of liquid into the water. Okay, it is now boom. Now mix it. Okay, our solution is ready. Now keep these all things in the side. In step 2, you have to spread 1 tablespoon of liquid into the table. So I am spreading it. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the bubbles are mingling. Okay, it is completely mixed. So in step 3, you have to get straw, dip in to the water solution and then blow it to make a bubble. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and today's like aim is 40 to 50 likes. So please like and bye.